In this video, I'm going to teach you and show you how to set up your MT4, that's your MetaTrader 4, and also your broker account. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and let's use FX Primus for this training. So what you do is you click on the link FX Primus and start your registration on their site soon as it's up. So this is it. You put in your first name. Let me use Witty as my first name. Last name, let me use Forex. Okay, and then username, let me try Witty Demo as well. So for the password, you need to use something that has a capital letter, numbers, and if possible symbols as well. So you set yourself up with a strong password, then you use the captcha and then click on register now. And next you go straight to your email. A confirmation email should have been sent to you. So let me quickly check mine. So this is my email, and I've already gotten the confirmation. So what you do is to click on verify and let it open the new link straight up. Great. So continue, and then you start filling in your detailed your information, starting with your address. And then as soon as you are done with that, you move on to the other details. Have you ever been a politically exposed person? I click no. Are you a US citizen? US resident? Rather no. So for trading knowledge now, don't it's basically just for marketing purpose. So you could select anything you want. Employment status, let me use self-employed. Source of fund, investments, level of education. Really everything here just it's basic. They only need it for marketing purposes. Literally all brokers use it, or rather all brokers ask. And then what you then need to do is you need to upload your documents for verification. You need to verify that you are a human being, and you need to verify your address also. So for the verification that you are truly who you say you are, you could upload a copy of your passport, your driver's license, your maybe national ID card, and yeah, that's basically. And then for proof of residence, you could simply upload your bank account statement. However, your bank account statement must show the logo of the bank, your name, as well as your current residential address, or the residential address you filled over here while filling your address. So lastly, trading account type, and then leverage. I like to use the highest. Deposit currency, that totally depends on you. Let me choose the dollar, and then you tick this, make sure this is ticked, and then you click on submit. And next you check your email. Some login details are going to be sent to you. A login detail is going to be sent to you. However, let's move on to downloading our MetaTrader. So upon your back office now, you simply click on MT4 and you select download MT4. So you select what device you are using. If it's for PC, that's Windows. For Apple or for Android, you select whichever one. So I'm going to select Windows, and automatically it's downloading. So as soon as it's downloaded, you install straight up. Click on run. So the installation process is quite straightforward, so you could just go ahead with it without really needing anyone's help. Then you click on next. So you definitely need internet connection to be fast for you to set this up. And if it is on your phone, however, the process is different. So you click on finish and wait for it. It's going to open a browser tab which you really don't need. However, just be patient and wait for your MT4 to pop up itself. So this is it, my MT4 has popped up. So the next thing you want to do is to create a demo account, and what you do is you select this server address, which is Premium Market Practice. Select it and then click on next, and then what you do is you make sure you are ticked on new demo account. You click on next, and then you type whatever details you want to type. Let me use witty demo. Put in your email address, put in your phone number, put in. Now what I would advise you is you start with a demo account equivalent to the live accounts you know you are capable of starting with. So take for instance, if you are starting your live account with say $200, then in the deposit make sure you put in 200. Select I agree, and leverage is 1:500, account is variable PRM, and select next, and immediately your account is created. So what you could then do is to note this login and this password, so you could log in the same account on your mobile MT4. That is if you intend trading with both your PC and your phone, so you could be monitoring the account on both platforms. You click on finish, and it auto signs you in. And as soon as you do this,
incoming mail,
you are fully set up. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.